Hey everybody, here's another little garden update. So just kind of continually looking at the melons that are kind of growing here in the garden. So far so good. Here's a cantaloupe right here that's starting out very heavy, small still. Then there are some more back here that might be starting to grow on the back fence there. Those are doing well. When we look over here, here's another melon just starting out. So that's doing well. And of course here on this side, there's two. There's one right here, just sitting here on the mulch, doing well. And there's one right here that's getting bigger. So that's not bad at all. There's also, as I move over here, honeydew. See if I can reach over here. Honeydew that looks like it's growing really nice. Just get a little shade there. Then also, there, as I walk through here without trying to step on anything, another honeydew that's sitting here as well. So they're doing good. They're getting heavy. I've never had any luck with any of this stuff. Last year the animals got them when I was trying to grow them in containers. Now I'm letting them grow along the mulch, doing very well. Here's one here that's just starting to grow. Melon, another little melon. And then there's one here sitting in the blackberry patch, is kind of invading. And then there's one here kind of hiding, if you can see that. So we'll leave him kind of hidden and wait till they get done. So doing well here with the melons. Hopefully, like I say, the animals can stay away. How are we doing here? This is the sunny side of the house, and you can see that the cucumbers and trellising zucchini, they're growing good. The early leaves are starting to die back, but the center other leaves are starting to kick in. Even though there's 100-degree plus weather these last couple days, they're hanging in there. They're withstanding that heat. So it's nice to see that. So anyway, quick little melon update for y'all. We'll talk to you later.